Okay, so, hey YouTube, so I'm just going to do a review on this car. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Trunk. I don't think, it can fit maybe one, like, robber. It's pretty nice. I like the inside. It's kind of, but the trunk is my favorite. So, now I'll show you another car. This is probably my favorite of the, one of the three, or two. This is my favorite of the three that I'm going to show you. I like, it can fit about 2 robbers right there, maybe 3. This is cool because it can hold dogs. That's really cool. And then, what I hate about this is there's like no room. I love the front, how that looks. It just looks cool. I've already destroyed it once, but I rebuilt it. Looks the same, because you would buy it in a set. And then this is probably my second favorite. It did not come with a gun. I just put that there. Walkie-talkie, it did come with that. I like that it has a, this is like one of their first, at least 2 Lego City trucks. Police. And then the trunk. Oh, and this is really cool. That's roomier. It's doesn't have a seat in it. And I don't know, I forget. Oh, and I like the front, how it is. That looks really cool. Oh, and then this. I recommend you to buy. This I got in a Lego Robbers Hideout. It's City. This I got in, I think like Police Chase or something like that. But I forgot. And then, no, this is the Police Force Hideout. This is what this comes in, because I know that this comes in it too. So, this is my 3rd video. It's a lot better than the first one and the second one, but thanks for watching. And please subscribe, and also check out the video. It's called, look up merpfer, merpfer. It's kind of cool. It's my friend, but thanks for